Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to allow new members to see older messages in WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. Currently, WhatsApp does not allow new members to see messages sent before they joined a group. New participants only see messages from the moment they enter. There is no official feature that automatically shows older messages to newcomers, so any claims about a chat history for new participants are not true. However, there are workarounds. Admins or members with access can export the chat history by going to the group info and selecting Export Chat. This file can then be shared with new members. Another method is manually forwarding important older messages to the new participant. Additionally, admins can use pinned messages to highlight key information so that late joiners do not miss important updates. While these methods are manual, they help ensure that new members stay informed. For now, we can only wait for WhatsApp to potentially introduce an official feature in future updates. So, that's basically how you can allow new members to see older messages in WhatsApp. That's it for this video. Thanks.